अदिति राव हायदरे हमें जल्द ही दिखेंगी चंद्रमुखी के अवतार में ऑन स्क्रीन। बॉलीवुड में कई बार इस लेजेंडरी फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर को ऑन स्क्रीन दर्शाया गया है, चाहे वो संजय लीला भंसाली के एलिगेंट अवतार में या अनुराग काश्यप के फाइस्टी अवतार में। एक बार फिर अदिति हमें बताती हैं किस तरह इस चंद्रमुखी को वो अलग तरीके से निभाने वाली हैं।
Been like legendary actors doing the role of Chandramukhi before, and somewhere or the other, unfortunately, comparisons are always there. Whether it be Madhuri Dixit or earlier, or even let's say Dev D for that matter. Movies like that. Did that come to your mind as well, or?
I don't think, luckily for me, intimidation and fear of comparison doesn't come into my mind. And in fact, when you're talking about it, I was thinking, no, I haven't thought of it that way. Because it's more inspirational for me to see that a lot of wonderful people have done it, and now I'm getting to do something like this. And rather than feel intimidated, I think it infuses you with a kind of happy and positive energy, and and also everybody's Devdas has been a different interpretation, and Sudhir Sir's is going to be different. So how can you compare like an orange and I don't know, anything.
But do the obvious comparisons with actors like Madhuri Dixit worry her? अदिति राव हायदरे ने एक्सक्लूसिवली की जूम से इसके बारे में बात।
I think because I don't feel competitive towards any of these things, I feel that you can't also compare people's interpretations of how they played certain characters, because I think they've all been fantastic actors, whether it's Madhuri Dixit or Vaijayanti Mala Bali, or they've all been so wonderful. How can you compare them? It's like they've done it in their way and they've done it beautifully. I just hope that I can do it as well and I can shine in whatever I do.
बता दे कि इस फिल्म को सुधीर मिश्रा डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं। फिल्म का नाम और देवदास है और फिल्म में बॉम्बे टॉकीज के हीरो विनीत कुमार सिंह भी हैं। फॉर रुद्रानी चटोराज, जूम, मुंबई।